Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Want to make your Shopify product pages look more professional and easier for customers to use? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up color swatches for your product variants, like green, blue, gray, and purple, on any Shopify theme, absolutely free. By the end, your store will not only look more appealing, but your customers will have a smoother shopping experience, making it easier for them to select the colors they love and boosting the chances they'll hit that Add to Cart button. Let's dive right in. First, I'm looking at a product in my Shopify admin that has several color variants set up, specifically green, blue, gray, and purple. Right now, these are just text options. But wouldn't it be so much better if customers could actually see a little colored circle for each option, instead of just reading the name? That's exactly what we're about to set up. To start, scroll down on your product page in the Shopify admin until you find the section labeled Category Meta Fields. If you're not familiar with meta fields, think of them like extra boxes where you can store custom information about each product. In this case, we use them to help Shopify know exactly what each of our color variants should look like. Find the meta field that's labeled Color and give it a click. This is where Shopify lets you define the colors that will be linked to your variant options. Now, in the Color meta field, you'll see boxes where you can type in the colors for your variants. Just go ahead and enter each color you want available. So here, that's green, blue, gray, and purple. It's important to enter these names exactly as they appear in your product's variant options, so Shopify can make the correct connection. For example, if your variant says light blue but you only type blue here, they won't match up, and the swatch won't show properly. Take your time with this step and double-check that the spelling matches. Once those color names are filled in, look just beside the text box. You'll see a button, often labeled Connect Color Variants or something similar. Let's go ahead and click that. What this does is tell Shopify to link the color meta field you just created directly to the color variant options for your product. This is a pretty powerful feature since it means the system will automatically know that when a customer selects green, for example, it should show them a little green circle right there on the product page. You'll get a quick pop-up or option to connect color variant. Make sure to confirm this step. It can feel a bit technical, but don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get comfortable navigating these options, especially if you're new to Shopify's admin. It's kind of like connecting the dots, letting Shopify know this color name should display as this swatch. Once everything is connected, don't forget to hit save. This is a step folks sometimes overlook, but saving locks in your changes and makes sure they actually appear in your store. It's a bit like remembering to save your progress in a video game. You don't want to lose your work. Finally, let's preview your product. Go up to the top right of your Shopify admin and click on Preview. You should now see your product's color variants displayed as clickable swatches. So instead of a boring text dropdown, there's a neat row of colorful circles your customers can easily click. It's such a small change, but it can make a big difference. Think of it as turning a black and white menu into full color, making it easier and more fun for shoppers to choose. And that's all there is to it. You've just given your Shopify store a pro-level upgrade without spending a dime. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or got stuck along the way, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more Shopify tips and free store upgrades, be sure to hit subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy selling.